let's mix some color. On this Winsor palette, they don't have magenta, and I told you magenta is my primary color, so this makes me a little sad. So we're gonna have to work with red. I did put a dot of a permanent rose. Yes, permanent rose. So that way we can mix with that as well, so we can see the difference between mixing with red and mixing with pink. This red is not so terrible. There's a difference between like a primary red, which is more of like a hot red, versus like a crimson red. Crimson red's gonna be deeper, and this is more of like a crimson versus a hot red. So the purple, the difference in making a purple doesn't stand out so much. Really? Never fails. When you're working with paint, you're gonna have a mess. So, fun fact, if you get watercolor on your page and you're like, dang and double dang, you can erase it with water and a paper towel. You can only do that on acrylic if there's acrylic under it and the acrylic under it is dry. If it's paper and acrylic, no, good luck to ya. Get a new piece of paper or let it dry and paint over it. I think that's enough of my sassy commentary. Good God, lady, paint. First, we're gonna make some, just grab some red. This is way more paint than you need, so I'm gonna put it over here to the side using my edge. Grab some water. Basically move over all of that red. Get my brush wet again. There's red. Let's grab our yellow. Scrape it off. Add some water. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna grab some blue. Scrape it off. So at least we have our primaries down. All right, now we can make some orange. Grab my lighter color, my yellow, and scooch it over here. And grab some of the red. Make a nice orange. Grab some yellow. Put it in this corner. And I'm cleaning my brush in between colors so that way I don't get everything completely muddy. It depends on what I'm working on. Sometimes I don't mind if it gets all mixed together. Sometimes I do. We have a leafy color green. Make it a little bit darker so it shows better. Make some purple. So it's not as gray as acrylic would be with primary red and primary blue, which is why I don't mind this red and not having a magenta in this instance. Doesn't make my purple dirty. Making my purple gray is kind of a hard line in the sand for me. Okay, now we're gonna take the pink, and even though this is a tube paint that's wet and the texture will be a little bit funky, we're gonna do the same thing. Texture is just a little bit sticky while the tube paint is wet. Makes a nice bright orange. Yes, my little love bug. And a really pretty purple. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Since we have more versions of yellow and blue on the palette, we could make some more colors. And I can also show you the other colors that are in here. So if we want to make some green with this light blue, and I'm going to be really reckless here. Look at that green. Beautiful. Take this orange, mix it with the blue. Just to show you some other colors that you can make. This mustardy yellow color and the red. Make a really nice desaturated red tone. Take the green and the blue. Look at that. Gorgeous. We have a dark green over here. Put that with the dark blue. And now that these are dry, we could come back in and do another layer. This one is the pink. This time it had some more red in it. This blue and this green have some granulation to them, which gives it some texture. And now for finishing touches, because this is important. I have a few different shimmers here. I have a purple, an orange, a yellow, a green, and a pink. And I'll probably have to angle the camera so you could see it. Oh my God, look at it. Magical. The moral of the story is you don't even have to know how to paint or mix color. You just get one of these right here and you just put glitter on the top. And everyone's gonna go, oh my gosh, what a masterpiece. What skill and amazing abilities this person has. That's what they're gonna say. Look at it. It's the best thing that has ever happened right here. Whoever made this on Etsy, thank you. Because you made my whole life right here with this little teeny tiny box of magic. Okay, well that's it. I'm probably gonna sit here for the next 20 minutes putting glitter on things just because I can. Probably will make for a terrible picture, but you know what? Life is not about pictures. It's about glitter.